Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can change the models for your LLM providers and what will be the best LLM providers as per your use case. So let's get started. Simply log into your bot account, and once you are logged in on your account, please choose any of the bot where you have configured the AI. And once the AI is configured, you need to go to AI settings. In the basic configuration, you will get integrated the AI provided with whom you have integrated it with. And in the second dropdown, you will get the choose model. So over here, it will list you all the available models that are there for this particular LLM provider. So based upon your use case, you can choose any LLM provider. As you can see, in every of the LLM provider, the reason is also mentioned why it is good. So any of the model you can choose. We recommend using this one, the 5.1, because it is more balanced, stable, and intelligence is very fine. The response time is also good. So yeah, you can use this one. In case if you have any queries regarding the same, please do let us know. And you can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video.